Hello from OGS Mechanics workshop, where today we've got quite an interesting job. This is a VW Tiguan on a 20 plate, so 2020 manufacture year. The car has covered less than 1,000 miles and came in due to a transmission fault. What we have in here is a brand new transmission from the dealer. But what the problem was on the old transmission that we have here, it is that the diff was locked. So the diff was not operating, and what we believe, we had this gearbox stripped, but because there are no parts available, it cannot be repaired. So basically, internally in the diff, there's one bearing seized, and because of that, the whole diff is seized up. And basically, what happened to this car, having this gearbox on, it literally cannot turn the wheel. So it can go on straight line, but it can't turn the wheel. So this car also had an accident. As you can see, some parts have been replaced previously, and we believe that he had the accident because of the diff failure. So yeah, quite strange. Less than 1,000 miles, and this had happened. We believe that it was the gearbox. This is by the way, is a remanufactured gearbox from VW. This is going to go back to be remanufactured, but it'll be quite interesting to know whether it is a recall. So far we have asked, and we haven't been told that there's a recall for this, but we believe this car has left the factory with a problem in the gearbox, which eventually ended up in having a crash. I said dealer, they don't say anything, they don't know anything about it, but it's we don't find this right. So to have this diff locked, which we believe that it was the cause of the accident that this car had. So again, a glimpse in our activity here in OGS Mechanics. Now we have this gearbox installed, we finish all the procedure, then we have to top up the oil, we have to fill the gearbox with oil, and then program the mechatronic unit in order to have gearbox fully operational. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, OGS Mechanics is one stop for all your vehicle needs.